What's up, guys? Here's your boy Forex and welcome to my channel. Sa TikTok ko, I posted that I'm going to open an account that is $500 and it's a $500 account challenge. Tapos susubukan natin na palaguin to or hindi. Tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari, no? So my objective is to let you guys know kung how it is really in terms of trading the forex market. So episode 1 to, I will try to put and scan the markets for some currencies that we can use as a trade. So let's go. Pasok muna tayo sa intro. All right, guys. Forex Noipy here. So again, we do have a $500 account challenge and I am using AvaTrade as my account holder or my broker. So as you can see, here's $500 and this is a real account from AvaTrade. Tapos titingnan natin kung paano ba natin to mapapalago or masusunog ba yung account. So this episode is episode number 1 so we can see kung anong mangyayari. Alright. Okay. So una sa lahat, magsiscan muna tayo ng markets, no? So I'm using the A1 Edge Finder Pro. Again, in my previous videos, I said that I purchased this. Binili ko siya for a price. I will post the link on my bio so you can inquire in case you're interested. At ang ginagawa nitong A1 Edge Finder Pro is it gives me a view kung ano ba ang bias ng mga currency pairs, even indices and commodities, no? But I don't trade indices just yet as well as commodities. Dito muna tayo sa Forex, right? So, scan muna ako and I'll be back after I do.
3 hours later.
Okay, right now, I've checked GBP AUD. Punta tayo dun. So, dito kasi sa GBP UAD, you know that my style of trading is trend continuation trading. I also do breakouts. Ang problema ko kasi dito, although the bias according to our scanner is very bullish, hindi ko siya mahanapan ng entry dito kasi I would have entered, I was here at the bottom dito sa part na to. I would have entered there, kaso I was too late, so hindi ko na magagawa yun. Siguro makakapag-enter ako if the market bounces back from this level at bumaba siya papunta dito. It's probably when I'm going to enter a trade. So, I can't. So, off to our next market or our next currency. USD CHF, USD JPY at kahit anong may kinalaman sa USD, mga kanoypi, I will stay away from. Bakit? Kasi later at 8 a.m. Central Time, that's 9 p.m. Manila, merong mga big event, big news, high impacting news. So as you know, I don't trade when there's upcoming news. I wait for the upcoming. Alam ko this week is a very big news week, so tingnan natin. No? Tingnan natin yung aftermath ng news and then we'll wait for trends to come over. So punta ngayon tayo sa Euro AUD. No? Sa Euro AUD, we're looking for a bullish setup, long, and similarly sa una nating market na tiningnan, na late na tayo na entry, I would have entered here, in this area, or in this area, or in this area. Dito sa support na to. Yan. I would have, pero wala, na-late tayo. So, okay lang yon. It's not a big deal. There's no time frame or time lapse for markets. Kaya kung baguhan kang trader, wag kang magpadala sa mga ganong klaseng emisyon, ha. Walang time limit, no. So analyze all you can, but make sure that when you do, you're following the set of rules na ginawa mo para sa sarili mo. Okay.
1 million, zillion, jillion, dillion, cotillion times later.
All right. Next on the list, PURNZD. Gosh, I like PURNZD. Because I know NZD has a really bad market. So ito na to. It's happening. All right. So here's the problem. So you can see the trend line was broken, and instead of retesting that trend line, instead of it's retesting that trend line. But there's a support here. So what I want to see is for this support to be broken down. I think it's going to be retested. Our bias here is bullish because I know for a fact that NZD, EUR, has a very bad economy. Look at that. Negative 0.1 GDP growth. Inflation rates whopping high. Interest rates whopping high. And that's all you needed to know for NZD. And that gives you a judgment that you can long this currency pair. So, I need market confirmations. I'm going to use Fibonacci. Alright. So, kitang-kita, saktong-sakto sa 61.8. 61.8. Saktong-sakto, mga Kanoy page. Okay. So, I'm going to put my order here. That's a long position.
3 hours later.
Alright. Mga Kanoy P, after analyzing the markets, tiningnan na natin yung top setups natin dito sa very bullish. Ang natapos lang natin is itong pairs na to. Hindi na tayo umabot dito sa pairs na to. We have selected one trade that we were able to enter. This is the EURNVD. And the reason why I entered here is because I saw this was a previous support. It was respected multiple times here to become resistance and as well as here. And I'm looking to long the market. Bakit? Ibig sabihin, I'm looking to buy the market. Kasi nakita ko dito, it's a bullish bias. Another confirmation I did is if I go to the Forex scanner on EURNVD, dito kasi it's not I'm aware na NZD economy is so bad. It's currently so bad. Negative 0.1 GDP growth, inflation whopping high, and unemployment 0.04%, and interest rate is whopping high compared to EUR. So I'm taking this trade. I set up a buy order here on my $500 account. This is my first trade. So, abangan natin kung ano mangyayari dyan. Ang spread dito ay 4.4. Medyo malaki yung spread nila. 4.4 pips. Okay? Tingnan natin. Alright. So, babalik ulit tayo mga Kanoy-P. Tingnan muna natin yung markets dito sa... Alright guys. So, natapos na tayong mag-scan ng lahat ng markets at wala tayong nakitang 80 trade dito. Because either I am too late to enter a trade or mga USD currency pair siya. And again, I'm not doing USD currency pairs today because of the upcoming news later on. Alright, so for now, ito yung nakakasa nating trade na tinan mo ang nangyari. Oh my goodness. Kaya mga Kanoy-P, ito yung gagawin. Ito yung isa sa mga bagay na gusto nyong ingatan. No? Tapos kasi yung spread ng EURNZD. And for me to have entered that trade, I should have spent 4 pip. Pero dahil 2.8 pip after the price went down, I didn't make it. Hindi ako nakapasok sa trade. Pero I'll wait for that to stay there. I still have 30 minutes left before the 1 hour candle closes, and then we'll see if I'll close that trade or not. Alright? So, guys, if you're liking what you're seeing now and what you're watching, please subscribe naman dyan, help the channel grow, and leave a comment, like, and share this channel as well. Thank you so much, mga Kanoy P. Balik tayo for episode 2 to give you an update on what's going on the trade. Thank you. I'll see you on my next video.